So what really is an iceberg? Icebergs are massive masses of ice that float on the sea and are formed by glaciers and ice shelves. In this clip we can see ice carving, also known as glacier carving or iceberg carving. This is the breaking of ice chunks from the edge of a glacier. Icebergs float in the ocean but are composed of frozen fresh water rather than salt water. They can be found in the Arctic and Antarctic waters. The majority of icebergs in the northern hemisphere break off from glaciers in Greenland. Icebergs can weigh millions of tons, and most of it is hidden beneath the sea's surface. They can be up to 145 kilometers long and 120 meters high above water, with another 960 meters underwater. Some icebergs drift from the Arctic to the Atlantic Ocean. In 1912, the Titanic ship collided with an iceberg in the Atlantic and sank. The Titanic was a passenger liner ship which sank in the North Atlantic Ocean on the 15th of April in 1912 after colliding with an iceberg during its maiden voyage from Southampton in England to New York City in the United States. More than 1,500 of the estimated 2,224 passengers and crew members aboard sadly died. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next clip.